Today we're going to take a look at the GoPro fairing mount kit for road glides from RickRak. With this I hope to be able to get a different point of view while I'm riding. So I think it's kind of a cool idea. We're going to check it out. So let's unbox it or unpackage it, and then we'll see what's inside the package and we'll head over to the motorcycle. So this is the, like they call it, with upgraded aluminum top. So these actually come in different colors, the actual GoPro mount. So it comes with a standard black aluminum GoPro mount as well. And then some mounting bolts and spacers. We'll head over to the bike and get her installed. I think you would typically mount this on the left side of the motorcycle more than likely, but for this video, because the motorcycle is up against the wall, I'm going to put it on the right side just for demonstration purposes. So you're going to start out by removing your bolt. You're going to replace your bolt with one of the studs that comes included in the kit. I'm using the longest one. I'm going to start with that and see how it goes. You want to leave about a ½ inch sticking out. Place your rubber washer on first and then your spacer. Looks like I'm going to have to back this out just a little bit. Now you're able to position this how you would like. Tighten down your knobs. Attach your GoPro housing. And you're ready to record some video. So that is a pretty easy install and a cool way to get another point of view with your GoPro for your motorcycle. It's kind of nice once in a while to be able to get a view without the fairing or handlebars in the way, just for a different point of view. You could also easily turn it around and face it towards you and kind of get a shot through the windscreen as well. So there's some different options there as far as a mounted, as far as a fairing mounted GoPro goes. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in that RickRak GoPro mount for the road glide fairing, I'll put links in the description down below so you can check that out. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a share with your friends. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. And we'll see you in the next video from Touring Midwest.